Yeah, one of the great things about BRAX Roofing is we can take care of any customer, whether it be a small roof repair or full roof replacement, really anywhere in the DMV, Northern Virginia, Maryland, or down in the district. But there are a lot of things that separate BRAX Roofing from other roofing companies or even just the local competition. I mean, we're Owens Corning Platinum Installer, GAF 4-star certified installer, CertainTeed certified installer, and then the list goes on. We're essentially certified to install any kind of roofing product, offer extended warranties, crews have been trained, and all of that, and we're very proud of that. But really, it's the team here day in and day out that are able to provide a service to a customer that's a little bit above and beyond the competition, and that's resulted in those accolades. So I would say, without sounding cliche, it's definitely the people. So if you need help with your roof, whether it be small roof repair, full roof replacement, you need financing, it's a commercial or residential property, give us a call, we're happy to help you.